Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you a real life story, one of those situations that many of us can relate to. By listening, not only will you learn new expressions in English, but you will also improve your pronunciation. So don't forget to stay until the end and subscribe for more exciting and useful stories. Let's begin. When love is not enough. Francesca and Luca have been together for 5 years. Their love story started like a fairy tale. They met at work when they were both young and full of dreams. They still remember their first date, a dinner at a small downtown restaurant where they talked for hours without ever getting bored. From that moment on, they shared every important moment, trips, parties with friends, and even buying their first apartment together. But as often happens, things changed over time. Work became more demanding, and their evenings together became fewer, and their relationship grew less exciting. Francesca felt that Luca was no longer as present as before. Conversations became brief, often limited to practical things, like grocery shopping or cleaning schedules. Luca, on the other hand, was exhausted. Work drained his energy, and he could no longer bear Francesca's constant complaints. Then the breaking point arrived. One evening, after an especially hard day for both of them, they sat on the couch in silence. Francesca, taking a deep breath, broke the silence. "Luca, we can't go on like this. I love you, but it seems like love is not enough." Those words hit Luca like a punch in the stomach. For a moment, neither of them spoke. The room was filled with heavy silence, interrupted only by the sound of traffic outside the window. In the end, Francesca said, "We need to take a break." Luca nodded, knowing there was no other solution. In the following days, the house felt empty. Luca temporarily moved in with a friend, and Francesca threw herself into work to distract herself. And so, Francesca and Luca's story reminds us that love alone is not always enough. It's important to nurture a relationship every day with communication, attention, and mutual care. If you enjoyed this story and want to hear more, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Every week we publish new stories that will not only captivate you, but also help you improve your English pronunciation. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more exciting stories with you. Remember, learning English can be fun and engaging, so stay tuned for more. See you in the next video.